I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to see the Now Playing history on your Google Pixel. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your Google Pixel. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then tap Display and Touch. Step 3. Navigate to the Lock Display section and then tap Lock Screen. The associated menu opens. Step 4. Scroll down to the What to Show section and then tap Now Playing in this list of options. You'll land on the Now Playing screen. Step 5. Tap Now Playing History in this menu. You'll see a list of all of the songs the Now Playing feature has identified by date. You can tap any of these songs to bring up a menu where you can either play the song in your preferred music service that's installed on your Google Pixel, or you can listen to the song on YouTube. Alternatively, if you want to remove this single song from your history, you can easily do that by tapping the delete icon, which looks like a trash can, and then tapping remove. If you want to completely wipe out your Now Playing history, that's an option as well. All you need to do is tap the ellipses on this screen to bring up a menu and then tap Remove All. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to remove all songs from the Now Playing history. Tap Remove. Your Now Playing music history will be fully cleared. And if you decide that you no longer want the Now Playing feature on your Google Pixel to capture song information, all you need to do is navigate back to the main Now Playing options screen and then tap to toggle off Identify Songs Playing Nearby. The feature will be disabled going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.